What do you see, Hazel? No, don't knock her over. She's trying to see the book. Can you let her see the book? Because I want to get her funny laugh. Who do you see? I think it's Uncle Andrew's birthday.
Hazel, who do you see? Who do you see?